Good morning students, welcome to my class. So in class 1B maths, we'll be doing lesson 3. This is subtraction. Okay, so already we have done this in our live classes, isn't it? Okay, so still we are going to do it again. Okay, so what subtraction means actually? Subtraction means taking away. When you take away from someone or something, that is subtraction. Okay, so let us do start. Okay, 5 bananas minus 3 bananas is how much? If I write down 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3 will be how much? 5 minus 3 will be 2, isn't it? So suppose you have 5 bananas and you give away 3 bananas. I take 3 bananas from you. So how many bananas are left with you? 2 bananas. Okay, so this is subtraction. Alright, okay. 3 balloons minus 1 balloon is equal to 2 balloons. 3 minus 1 equal to how much? 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Okay. Next one you see 6x minus 2x. 6 minus 2 equal to how much? 6x minus 2x equal to how much? It is equal to 4x. Okay. Alright. Then you see here 8 oranges minus 5 oranges is equal to how many oranges? 8 minus 5 oranges. So it is equal to 3 oranges. Alright. So in this way you have to do. Okay. Now take the correct set. Now please see page number 31. Okay. So you see here how many cups are there. There are 4 cups minus 1 cup. Okay. So 4 minus 1 equal to, what will be the answer? It will be 5 or 3. You have to take the correct one. Okay. So the correct answer will be 3. You please do this in the book itself. Okay. You see on a branch how many birds are sitting? 6 birds are sitting on a branch. 3 birds flew away. So how many are left? What will be the answer? 3 or 5? So 3 will be the answer. You have to tick it here. Okay. Write the correct number. You see 6 minus 2. 6 children are playing and 2 children they went away. So 6 minus 2 will be 4. Okay. Then you see here 4 cold drinks are there. 4 cold drinks, glasses of cold drinks are there, minus 3 cold drinks. If you have drank 3 cold drinks, glasses of 3 cold drinks, so how many are left? So only 1 is left. Okay, 4 minus 3 will be 1. Alright, now you see here 7 candles are there. So 7 candles are burning, and if you blow 4 candles off, what will be the answer? The answer will be 3. Okay, for this one you see 7 minus 4 will be 3. The answer will be 3. Okay. Now this one subtracting by crossing out, this also we have done, isn't it? Okay, this is page number 32. You see you have to cross out. 9 balloons are there and you cross out 2. When 9 balloons are there, when you cross out 2, the answer will be 7. 9 minus 2 will be 7. Okay. Now you see 7 glasses are there. 7 glasses of water are there, and you have to cross 6 glasses of water. So what will be the answer? 7 minus 6 will be 1. Okay. Now you see 9 candles are burning. You have to cross out 5 candles. 9 minus 5 will be 4. Okay. So next one you see how many chocolates are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chocolates are there. You have to cross out 3 chocolates. So 7 minus 3 will be 4. What will remain? 4 chocolates will remain. Okay. Now you see here how many flowers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 flowers are there, and you have to cross out 5 flowers. Okay. So if you cross out 5 flowers, how many are remaining? 10 minus 5 will be 5. Okay. So number line, you see how to do on number line. I will teach you now. Please see students, we are going to do this one once again. Subtract using the number line. You see first one is 4 minus 3. Okay. So first let us write down here. This is 4 minus 3. Okay. So let us write down here. Okay. 4 minus 3 will be how much? So first let us write down on the number line. The numbers let us write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. So I have already written on the number line. Now you see from where we have to start. Okay, so we have to go to 4 because see 4 minus 3 is here. So please put your pencil here on 4. Okay, now 4 minus 3. So you just count backwards. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So you see what is the answer. You can do it in this way. What is the answer? You see 4 minus 3. The answer is 1. So just write down 1 is the answer. Okay, 4 minus 3. Put your pencil on 4 on the number line, and from 4 you count 3 backwards because it is minus 3. You are subtracting. Okay, 4 minus 3 equal to 1. Next one you see 6 minus 3. Let us write down here 6 minus 3 equal to how much? So let us write down on the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you see 6, you go to 6. Okay, put your pencil on 6. Now from 6 count backwards. Okay, till 3 you have to count. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So you have counted backwards till 3. What is the answer? 3 is the answer. So write down 3 here. In this way you do this. Okay, because already I have said you to do this one. Okay, so you please do this. Okay, come to next page. Subtracting 0 from a number. Okay, you please see here, subtracting 0 from a number. When you subtract 0 from a number, what will be the answer? Suppose I am saying you 2 minus 0, it will be 2. Okay, when you are subtracting 0 from any number, the answer will be the number itself. Okay, so you see 4 minus 0 will be 4. Okay, 6 minus 0 will be 6. Okay, so you see here, if we subtract 0 from any number, okay, from a number we get the number itself. We get the same number as the answer. Okay, next one you see subtracting 1 from a number. If you subtract 1 from any number, suppose 5 minus 1, what will be the answer? 4. Okay, so you see from which number you are subtracting 1, the answer will be the number before that. See, 4 comes before 5. What comes before 5? 4 comes before 5. Okay, now you see 8 minus 1 will be how much? 7. So before 8 what comes? 7 comes. So you see here, when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the number that comes before it. That is before the number. Which number comes from which number we are subtracting. So the answer comes before that. What is the number that comes before the number? That is actually the answer. Okay, like 5 minus 1, 5. Before 5 what comes? 4. 4 is the answer. 8 minus 1 will be 7. So before 8 what comes? 7 comes. Okay, in that way. Okay, so this is also clear. Subtracting 0 from a number, subtracting 1 from a number, subtracting a number from itself. Okay, now you see here, subtracting a number from itself. If I say you 5 minus 5, if I subtract 5 from 5, what will be the answer? 0. If I subtract 3 from 3, what will be the answer? 0. If I subtract 9 from 9, what will be the answer? 0 will be the answer. So you see here, if we subtract a number from itself, we get 0. What will be the answer? The answer will be 0. Now I will teach you subtracting in 2 ways. One is the horizontal method and one is the vertical method. Now you see children, I will teach you subtracting in 2 ways. One is the horizontal method. In addition also I taught you, one is the horizontal method. Okay, and another is the vertical method. Vertical method, okay? So let us do this. Okay, horizontal method and vertical method. Now you see, if I write down here 5 minus 2 equal to 3. This is the horizontal method when I am writing in this way. And if I write down the same thing, 5 minus 2. Okay, so what will be the answer? The answer will be 3. So the answer will remain the same whether I do the math in vertical method or horizontal method. The answer will be the same. Okay, so another maths let us do 3 minus 2. Okay, subtract in 2 ways. So let us write down here 3 minus 2. What will be the answer? The answer will be 1. The answer will be 1. Okay. And if I write down here 3 minus 2, the answer will be 1. Okay. Isn't it? See, the answer remains same. Okay. One more maths. Let us take. Okay. Let us take this one. 6 minus 4. Okay. If I write down here 6 minus 4, what will be the answer? 2. Okay. And if I write down here in vertical method 6 minus 4, what will be the answer? The answer will be 2. So the answer is not going to change whether I do in horizontal method or in vertical method. Alright? Okay. Subtract and write as shown. Okay. Now you see here 4 minus 1, 3. Okay. 5 minus 2, we'll do this. On the board we are going to do this. Okay. So we are going to do this. You see here 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 will be how much? It will be 3. Okay. 4 minus 1. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 will be how much? 5 minus 2 will be 3. You can do the sums, then you can match with my answers. Okay. 7 minus 2 will be how much? I know you know subtraction. 7 minus 2 will be 5. Okay. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 will be 3. 8 minus 4 will be 4. Okay. 1 minus 1. If you subtract 1 from the number itself, same number, what will be the answer? 0. Okay. Then you see 3 minus 3. Again 3 minus 3. If you subtract 3 from the number itself, that is 3. The answer will be 0. Okay. 9 minus 0. If you subtract 0 from any number, answer will be the number itself. 9 minus 0 will be 9. Okay. 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 will be 3. Okay. Then 6 minus 0, again you see, if you subtract 0 from any number, the answer will be the number itself. Now subtract and write the ladder as shown. Okay. 6 minus 1, this you do in your copy as well as in the book also. Okay. 6 minus 1. Okay. We'll be doing this on the board. Now you see here, subtract and write in the ladder as shown. 6 minus 1. So 6 minus 1. What will be the answer? The answer will be 5. Okay, 9 minus 4. If you subtract, okay, 9 minus 4, what will be the answer? The answer will be 5. Okay, then 7 minus 3. If you subtract 7 minus 3, what will be the answer? The answer will be 4. Okay, 5 minus 1. If you subtract 5 minus 1, what will be the answer? The answer will be 4. Okay, 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3. What will be the answer? If you subtract 4 minus 3, what will be the answer? The answer will be 1. And 3 minus 3. If you subtract 3 minus 3, the answer will be 0. Okay. So next one we will do subtract and write as shown. Please see the board, students. This one is page number 37. Okay. This is page 37. Okay. Subtract and write as shown. Okay. Now you see how I am explaining this one. See here some boxes are given. Okay. 2 columns are given here. So let us see the first one. Minus sign is given here. 9 minus 1 will be 8. Okay. 9 minus 1 will be 8. 7 minus 1 will be 6. 6 minus 1 will be 5. 9. 6 minus 1 will be 5. 8 minus 1 will be 7. 3 minus 1 will be, you have to see here, 3 minus 1 will be 2. 4 minus 1 will be 3. 5 minus 1 will be 4. 2 minus 1 will be 1. Once again you see how I am doing this. Okay, 9 minus 1. Okay, 9 minus 1 is 8. Remember that. 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 minus 1 is 5. 8 minus 1 is 7. 3 minus 1 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, next one you see. 2 minus 2 will be 0. Okay, this is number 1. This is number 2. Okay. 2 minus 2 will be 0. 3 minus 2 will be 1. 6 minus 2 will be 4. 4 minus 2 will be 2. See, we are subtracting, okay? 5 minus 2 is 3. 8 minus 2 is 6. 7 minus 2 is 5. 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, once again I am showing this. See this one. 2 minus 2 will be 0. 3 minus 2 will be 1. 6 minus 2 will be 4. 4 minus 2 will be 2. 5 minus 2 will be 3. 8 minus 2 will be 6. 7 minus 2 will be 5, 9 minus 2 will be 7. So in this way you have to do, children, okay? So I have completed lesson 3 subtraction. We have completed today, and addition we have completed before, okay? So we have done this, okay? Alright. So please do it in your copies. Whatever worksheets I am sending you, you have to do those in your copies, okay? And whatever I say you to do in the book, you do it, okay? Please go through subtraction and addition. Thank you.